peaceful. So quiet here. Okay, I can trade this with the seaside just for today, but not all the time.
Okay.
It's just, all you can see is just green.
I love wide sky.
Yeah, me too.
The beautiful clouds.
It's so peaceful, it's so quiet.
Yeah. We need this.
Yes, we do. Yeah, definitely do. Hmm?
Beautiful flowers.
Yes, yes. I wish I had a can of beer now. And some snacks. Not peanuts, not crisps, potato chips, but like, I don't know.
Dry fruits.
No, I think edamame is best in this situation. I don't want to eat peanuts or beef jerky, not here.
No dried wet something.
Yeah.
That's
It's Mariko here, Wandering Gypsy Boy. Mariko. I'm squinting because the sun's in my eyes. As you can see, I've had my hair cut. Finally. Shades on. Apparently it's an army haircut, according to Mariko. I think the guy yesterday at QB House was shaving here and shaving here. And then he said, would you like the top left? I said, you know, just give it a trim, and he gave it a trim. That's not bad. So we are here in Kizaki, Kito Urawa, Urawa-ku, Saitama, Japan. Oh, look at that. Not look at that, hear it, feel it. It's lovely. Oh, I can hear the frogs over there. I can hear the frogs, yeah. They're kind of chatting over that way. So we went for a walk today. We had a Chinese stroke. Not Chinese stroke, Taiwanese slash Chinese. Japanese style, Chinese style lunch. That was good. What was it? I can't remember what I had now. Sweet and sour pork.
subuta.
Yeah, that one. Right, I'm going to switch the lens around so you can see what we're looking at. Okay. Now, let's see now. I need to find the... where is it? Is it at the top? No. No, it's not. That's okay. I found it the other day. Right, I'll just switch the camera around.